Hey everyone, it's Jackie Sobon from Vegan Yak Attack. Today we're trying something new for the YouTube channel, and meanwhile we'll be making these Chipotle Tofu Rainbow Wraps. First we're making a tahini coating, so we have tahini, then some liquid aminos, or you can use soy sauce or tamari. Next, some nutritional yeast. Then some apple cider vinegar for a little tang. Some ground chipotle powder, salt, try not to drop your spoons everywhere, water, and then we're going to whisk this until it's completely smooth. Next we have our extra firm tofu that's been pressed. We're going to cube it, about 1/2-inch size pieces, then place that in the marinade. And we'll fold it all together until it's evenly coated. Once coated, set it aside while we prep the rest of the ingredients so that it can marinate. We have some romaine lettuce, some thinly sliced red onion, and we also have some carrots that I use a peeler on so we can get thin, crunchy strips, some thinly sliced tomato, shredded red cabbage, of course, some avocado slices. Next, we're going to put the tofu in the air fryer basket. It's been marinating, it's well coated, and while that's in there for about 20 minutes all in all, we're going to make the hummus. So we have just whatever kind of hummus you have on hand. We're going to add some green onions, a little Dijon mustard, and some black pepper. Stir that all together to make a nice spread. Our tofu's ready, nice and crunchy. Toss it around to make sure that it's evenly crisp. And we're going to assemble. So first, put a smear of the hummus sauce. Then we're going to put some tofu, the lettuce, red cabbage, red onion, carrot, tomatoes, and avocado. Now fold it up, squeeze it tight, and roll it over so that you can get a nice wrap out of this large tortilla. If you want, you can put this in a panini press like I'm doing, and you get a nice crunchy outside, or you can put the burrito or wrap on a pan and just toast it evenly on both sides. And there you have it, the Chipotle Tofu Rainbow Wraps. Perfect for lunch. You can find the entire recipe through the link in my notes below and on veganyakattack.com. Thanks for watching.